we found the secret sauce to RV life and community on the road. That's today's video.
It's not like Chick-fil-A sauce or Freddy's fry sauce.
Well, I like both those sauces.
Our grandkids, Freddy's fry sauce is their favorite. But it's a different kind of sauce.
But we did find it.
We did.
And we're gonna share it with you today. I guess we'll roll the intro and then we'll just jump into this one.
A man and woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
I think McDonald's started the secret sauce to begin with back in the day.
Special sauce, lettuce, cheese.
Yeah. That's where the special sauce started. I think it was just Thousand Island dressing.
Mixed with mayonnaise.
You think?
Probably. By the color.
All right, today we're just now finishing up an event that we held here at Telona Ridge.
Yes, and we didn't shoot anything like going out adventure-wise because it was a nice time just to hang together.
Yeah, it was a retreat.
Plan for the future.
Yeah, it was a retreat, and so we just kind of hung out here. But we wanted, as we were like finishing up that event, there was a lot of hugs and tears, and it really made me realize that secret sauce that is needed when you're starting RV life. We've been on the road now for 5 years.
Yes.
Full time on the road. And without that secret sauce that we found about community, I don't know that we would have been out here as long, or if it would have been as rich and enjoyable. And we just wanted to encourage you to find your secret sauce.
Well, the funny part is looking back, we found it on accident, actually, because we never went to a rally that first year.
Yeah.
And we didn't know what our plans were, really. And we ended up coming to Telona as they were opening up. And so it was actually that first time we were even around other people community-wise, because in the RV parks, we were just stopping and going. And if you followed our journey from the beginning, we were shooting 3 videos a week. We were moving every 3 days, and we were boogieing, baby, because we only had a year. We thought.
Yeah, we thought we were only going to be on the road for a year, and so we were just kind of go see the United States as fast as we can.
It was utter chaos.
But as we meet people and talk to them on the road, the thing that makes RV life even more enjoyable is when you can find people to hang out with and see things with. I love my husband. I love doing things with him, going and seeing, exploring. But it's nice sometimes to find somebody that maybe wants to hike a little bit longer.
What are you talking about? I mean, I've done all kinds of hikes. She's drugged me to hikes from here.
Okay, but maybe somebody will go just one more curve, round one more bend.
That's when we're traveling with friends. They do that, and I sit down.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, I found those friends that'll do that with me. And we just enjoy our time together. But when you find people to travel with, it's just different. It just adds another level of specialness to the RV community. Going
through that idea, this event this weekend was like the retreat of this year.
It was our last event for 2025 for this year. We can talk about, like, we do everything from a rally that we kick off the year with, to huddles, to crew campouts. And they're all out there for you guys to find if you wanted to join and find some people to do those things with. But there's all kinds of rallies. But we should probably tell them the difference between a rally and a huddle.
Yeah. What spurred this video is right now our event left and a Brinkley rally is coming in. And we are out just kind of walking and one-wheeling and stuff, and people that watch our channel, they were like, oh, we would love to come to one of your events, but we don't know when they are. And we kind of stopped sharing them as much in our videos, I guess, And then we were like, okay, we need to have people start putting pins in 2026 for the travel season.
Yeah.
Because you're going home. We know you're going home after some of these last minute weekend getaways.
Or the end of the year, and you're going to winterize. You're going to winterize, and you're going to wait till spring. You need to start planning for 2026. So we wanted to give you those event dates so that you could come out and meet those people. But the Brinkley Rally versus a Huddle, like a rally is very much about, usually, because they're manufacturer, rallies.
Right.
Brinkley holds one, Grand Design holds one, Jayco, there's a Frog Rally, like Winnebago.
And it's the natural instinct when you buy an RV, they talk about it as you're purchasing it, those different rallies for your specific RV you purchased.
And it's great because they're there to maybe repair some things on your rig or to help you get to know like some features of your rig because it's that specific brand. A rally is pretty much more like educational, seminars, how to boondock or maybe
use solar, how to install, like the new MoRide upgrades you could do for independent suspension and all of those wonderful things in that educational process. And as I was one-wheeling, one of the Brinkley people was like, this is our first rally. And I was like, oh, that's cool. What are you looking to get out of this? He goes, just some really good general knowledge. And then he explained, he goes, well, we were hanging with somebody last night and they were not understanding not to plug in a bunch of like space heaters and stuff. There's education that comes with owning an RV, and that's what the purpose of the rally is. And you start forming those first, fostering those first relationships.
Absolutely, because you might meet somebody that has the same rig as you, and you talk about talk about your storage tips and tricks for what you found that would work with that RV. We found that something that helped kind of foster that community is kind of that secret sauce that we feel like we've stumbled upon and we've just developed over the last 4 years with inside of the Switch Crew community, and that is our huddles. A huddle is not like a rally. There's not seminars. There's not educational tips and tricks. It is all about exploring and getting to know each other, exploring the area, eating, doing fun activities together. We've been zip lining, we've been whitewater rafting, we've
rented a boat down in Florida and we had a 70s dance-off night with a meal and sunset.
We've been hiking and e-biking and motorcycle rides. We've been on the Bourbon Trail. Like, we do all of those sorts of things just to bring people together, because it doesn't matter what RV you have. There's a lot of great brands out there. It doesn't matter if you have a pop-up, camper, all the way to, you have a Newell or a Prevost. Like, you're still wanting to be a part of this community, and the secret sauce is just finding a place to plug in.
Or it's you're the secret sauce that are watching the videos. And
maybe
you know how many, sauce. I just did a video with a couple that just bought a Lux. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
And you're going to see that video coming up. David and Connie are their names, and they have come to multiple events with no RV.
Yes.
Saying, we are looking for the RV that is right for us. And they were not in a hurry.
Yep.
So they would come and stay in hotels or cabins, and they were around the community, and they built these friendships to now they just got this RV. They're so happy. It fits everything they want. They made some changes and modifications, and they had already had all these friendships now to travel with. And it was just really wonderful to see their journey. So even if you're starting and you're like, I don't even know what I want or anything, if we have an event that has cabins or anything, come.
Just come. We have people that stay in hotels nearby or cabins nearby all the time. Connie did say, she's like, I found the community first, and then now I have my RV, and now she knows where she's going to go and who she's going to travel with. So I think that's great. Let's give them the 2026 lineup so that you can start marking your calendar to come out and really see this little secret sauce we're talking about.
Yeah, we thought this would be a great way because now we're approaching 100,000 subscribers, and it's hard to communicate with everyone on YouTube because YouTube doesn't show the videos to everyone. So if you're seeing this, congratulations. Maybe give a little comment down below of maybe a huddle you've gone to, a fond memory, maybe leave a comment.
Or what sauce they like.
Chick-fil-A sauce versus Freddy's sauce. What sauce?
You never know. What sauce is your favorite? We might be missing something.
I am going to lean towards the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, well, I totally squirreled him.
Yeah, now as an ADHD person, all I can think about is sauces. So I'm host.
Oh, you know
Really?
what just happened?
That's what I do to you?
No,
Oh.
it is what you do to me all day, every day. But this is the first time you've ever said that out loud.
Oh, well, yeah.
Okay.
I have tendencies.
You do have tendencies. Let's talk about 2026. We have everything from a crew camp out is where there's just people with inside the crew that put together little get-togethers. We are not there. Sometimes we can swing by if it's in the area, but that means that we can just have community happening all across the United States at the same time, and it's not dependent upon us.
And the goal is at some point, if you really enjoy doing that and you're doing it, that maybe you host a crew camp out in the future.
Absolutely. So there's crew campouts that are launching, but first and foremost, we're kicking off the year with just a hangout time at the Tampa RV show on a Thursday night.
Yep.
Then in February, we've got the United Rally where we're gathering together with about 10 other content creators where we're going to host an event that is going to be more on the educational, seminar driven.
But it's going to be like, it's going to be different. Like, I think it would be cool to have like an HDT experience where you can maybe drive a little course in an HDT and see if that's something in the future you've ever wanted to do. Because when we bought ours, Rob gave us that opportunity to drive around and stuff, but the educational factor, you just can't really find it.
Yeah.
So we want to have unique things at the rally. And then we just found out, if you're interested, there's going to be an RV show at the West Palm Beach at like 2 days after our
so you can
United
hang out
rally.
and stay for the show.
It's going to be fun.
If you are a content creator or starting a channel, interested in that, there's going to be at our rally, there's going to be just a YouTube specific Q&As and seminars and topics on
cameras
that.
to use and how to do what we do.
Yeah. And then
You may not want to because we don't do it real well all the time.
but we give it our best Girl Scout try. So then in April, we are going to have a Huddle event in Alabama.
First one in Alabama, isn't it?
The first one is in Alabama. We're going to be in the Lake Guntersville area.
Okay.
So we have a Huddle there. And then our next Huddle will be in Ohio, and that is at the end of May. And then
I hear you say, "Oh," and then other people yell,
Io.
I think that's how that goes.
Something like that. I think. I don't know.
Ohio people are very center focused and they're very strong in their community. So it's kind of cool.
So we're going to go to Ohio at the end of May. We will also have in September and October, we'll have a couple of events. We'll have a retreat and we'll also have a Huddle up in Massachusetts, but we'll have a retreat back here at Talona Ridge. And then throughout the year, we will also just do random pop-ups. If you're on our app and you're nearby us, we will just send out things. Hey, let's meet for pizza or, that sort of thing.
We're calling the pop-ups.
Pop-ups.
So we now have, on the app, once you're put in the system and your picture's in, your profile's created, and then it doesn't give your exact location. It's because that's a safety issue. So about 15 miles out. But you have all these different opportunities to meet other people. You can create a group in the app, whereas you meet people at crew campouts, and then you create that group and you can communicate, you can plan different things, and then all of the events will pop up the bottom. Best part for traveling, we started doing these RV campground review videos to see, because we're big rig, right? But we think a Brinkley toy hauler with all of the stuff, you're big rig as well. So you want to see how your turns are getting in. So we started doing those videos all across the United States. And you can find those videos as well, as long as partner RV parks.
And all the events that we talk about are also on the app. So you can find them as they pop up. So we're going to do those. Those are just random pop-ups. We're also going to be launching more like just weekend getaways, just kind of short little getaways in an area that we're at. And last year we took... was that last year? Oh my goodness, was only this year. It was this year.
This year, yeah.
This year we took a group of people on an Alaska cruise. We just parked the RVs and we all gathered together.
Group, like 150 people.
Yes, okay, well that's a group.
It was like a pretty awesome
group.
Experience on the boat.
Yes.
And we had dinners together and we did all kinds of stuff. We went to shows. There was so much laughter.
Well,
So-
we're doing that again, only we're going to go to Hawaii in 2027, but you can get that planned and get started on that now.
We're
That way
calling
you're...
it an XP trip.
It's an XP trip. Those are experiences, just like bucket list travels, bucket list adventures. And if you're interested in that, all that information will be in the description, or you can also find it on the app or our website.
Yep. Hopefully this is information that's helping you, because we hear all the time, oh, if we would have just known you were there, or where do I find out this information, or you missed a post because it gets buried on YouTube or it gets buried on Facebook. And we have a free group on Facebook. It's called Switch Crew, and you can just go in and you can get updates on that too. It's over 3,000 people that we hang out and we just share and pictures and laugh a lot together. So you can find that on Facebook as the group and communicate and stuff as well.
I think
all
that-
areas.
I think the key is we try to have events everywhere from it's $10 a rig all the way to the experience trips, which is the Hawaii cruise. So all budgets are accounted for, because community is important. You were not created to be in this life alone. To find people that you can just share life's highs and lows with, and to just sit around a campfire and share stories, and people that'll help you along the way.
Yeah.
That is the secret sauce of RV life. That is our heart. That's why we spend so much time dedicated to events, because we know that you were just created to find people to be in life with. Like you might need prayer right now because you need an ambulance.
Yeah, that's rough. That is the first ambulance I've ever seen carry kayaks on top.
I hope they don't need those right now.
Oh, gosh, that would be horrible.
That would be
We
horrible.
do, also at our events, we generally will do maybe a worship time or a quick little message.
At our huddles.
At our huddles, yeah.
huddles. And we're focused on giving back wherever we go. So that's also a component of our events.
Now, big give back we're super excited about. United Rally, we're going to work with Convoy of Hope.
Yes.
They're bringing in a semi. We are going to unload the semi. We're going to do like food stuff for the community that's surrounding the area we're going to be at the fairgrounds. Super excited about Convoy of Hope and what we're going to be doing with them this next year.
Absolutely. In fact, we're leaving here and going to go serve at a project for those that were hit with a hurricane last year. We're leaving here. That's where our next stop is. We're going to be there with about 25 crew members to just kind of make an impact there. But again, it's because we're going to be in a small circle together making an impact. And that's what our heart is. That's what we want to do. And you can be a part of it. You just have to come to any of our events and start to connect with other people.
Good stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. I think it was needed, not necessarily running off on all of our adventures. That all starts again this next weekend. So you'll watch next Sunday's video. So make sure you follow along. And if you want to see different things, I'll put a couple videos at the end here to kind of do follow-ups, maybe find out what a give back looks like that we've done in the past, that type of stuff. If that fills your heart and that's something you want to do, just remember, if you're retired, you're not retired.
Yeah.
You're just getting started. You just got to find a new purpose. And hopefully the RV is the mechanism to help go and experience those memories you've always wanted to do, and maybe allow you to go help us in some sort of a purpose-driven mission scenario.
We want you to connect. We need your help. You've got the experience and the years underneath you to kind of make an impact across the United States. That's what we're all about. And we get started by just connecting to events. So find your community, experience that secret sauce, and come join us.
I think that's it.
That's my new out.